Hi, my name is Ken, and I'll be walking you through this tutorial on how to do some basic and essential tasks within Microsoft Excel. The first task I'll be explaining will be adding rows and columns, and the second will be merging cells. Let's get right into it here. As you can see, I already have a sample Excel worksheet open here. Let's say, for instance, I want to add a row above row 4. What we could do to select all the cells within that row is to simply click on the cell and drag across all contents. But if you're like me and don't like to touch the mouse or the tracking pad very often, you can click the first cell within that row, press and hold Control Shift Right. If you're on a Mac operating system, we will choose Command Shift Right to highlight all the contents within that row. You can go vice versa as well and select the last cell in the row, Command Shift Left to highlight all contents within that row. Now that we have a row highlighted, we can go on to actually adding the row. There are two methods to inserting rows within Microsoft Excel. We can simply right-click or secondary click the highlighted row, select Insert within the menu options, and then select Shift Cells Down. Now we have our new row, and what was once row 4 is now row 5. Another way to add rows is to look above to our toolbar here and go to the section that says Cells. We're going to be looking at the cells portion, the insert portion here. We will select the down arrow to the right of the insert animation, and we will select Insert Rows, creating the new row that we wanted. The same principles go along for adding a column. To shortcut highlight cells within a column, we can do the same thing as we did with the rows. I'm on a Mac operating system, so I will press and hold Command, Shift, and Down. On PCs, it will be Control, Shift, Down. Once again, we can secondary click or right click the highlighted column, select Insert, and Shift Cells Right. Now we have our new column here. We can also go back to our toolbar, locate portion that says Cells, click the down arrow on the Insert portion, and Insert Columns to add a new column. Now, sometimes when we have contents within Excel and we want to label and create a headline across several cells, we can merge cells to create one heading for them all. What we're going to do here is highlight the row, insert rows to create a new row, and now we will highlight all the rows that we want to merge. Select Merge under the Alignment portion of the toolbar. Now we can add a heading. This is one cell, and it names all the contents under that cell. If you want to unmerge this cell for whatever reason, you can simply click on that merged cell, click on the down arrow where it says Merge under Alignment, and unmerge the cells. As simple as that. Thank you for following along and listening. I appreciate it. Good night.